All right, welcome back to another problem, and let's take a look at this shape right here. We're going to start with some circles, and the biggest one is radius of 41.5. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Um, Let me see what is the one on the inside. The dimension of the one on the inside is actually 20 something, 25. Yeah, 25. So that is also a given dimension of the problem. So let's go and start by drawing our very first circle. I'm going to do the 25 radius there, and the second one will be the 41.5. So after we have that, um, let's go and take a look at this little thing here. We have an angle of 60 degree. Let's go ahead and do that one first. This will help us draw in that little slot that we have there. Also, the angle that we know here will be a 60-degree angle. So that is 180 degree. So we want 60. Subtract 60 from 180. We have 120. So we're going to keep that right there. This angle that we're looking at right now, the acute angle, is 100. Is 60. Sorry. Okay. So let's take a look at that one. So this center here is part of this arc. It will continue with this arc, right? So let me do that real quick for you to see. If I'm to draw a circle that is 41.5 in radius, you can see that it go through that center right there, right? That is something we're going to use. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to see that there is a R5 radius, and the next one is R10 radius. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and do offset. I'm going to do offset 5 units from this circle. We're going to do it outside, and we're going to do it inside. I'm going to do that again. This time I'm going to offset 10 units, and I'm going to offset outside, and then I'm going to offset inside. Okay. Remember, this is the one that we keep. Okay. I'm going to hit escape, and then here I'm going to go ahead and trim from here to there, that first two, and from that two. I'm going to trim those. Okay. As you can see at this point now, I'm also going ahead and I'm going to go ahead and trim that section there as well. Now I can go back to my construction segment and construction layer, and I'm going to go ahead and connect those, or I can just put in the dimension with 10. All right. Circle. I'm going to do here 5. I'm going to do, I'm going to zoom in right here. Circle 10. All right. And then with that, I'm going to go ahead and trim out the section that we want to trim out. And there is the little slot there that we have. The next thing we're going to do is where we have this right here, that's 43.7. So I'm going to go ahead and assume that also this point for the center of this arc, that point is also on this, on that little circle there. All right. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take that. I'm going to go to my center line here. I'm going to track it up to that location there, and from that I'm going to go up 43.7. Okay, hit escape. I don't know what I just clicked there. Hit escape, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and offset this 5 units to the right, 5 units to the left. All right, so that I can have that slot there. Then now I can convert this two section here into the layer that we want. All right, the next thing we do is I'm going to go ahead and take that and construct my segment. I'm sorry, circle. So that will be a circle of radius 5. And then we also going to do that another circle of radius 5. All right. Next thing we do is we're going to establish the one that is on the outside, which is radius of 15. So we can also do another one right there, circle of 15. And then I'm just going to go ahead. I can do offset this all the way out. We can do that. Stay with that. So I'm going to offset it 15 to the left and offset to the right. Hit escape. And then first we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and extend it this, extend it that. And then we're going to go ahead and make sure that this two right here is continuous and they are part of yours layer. Okay. Get rid of this right here. And then we're going to trim out the section that we don't want. Section that's not part of your drawing. Trim those out. And voila, that is the shape of your drawing. All you have to do is now take out your dimension that you need to take out. 43.7, that's the one. And then we want to make sure that it's in our dimension layer. Okay. All you have to do is just make sure you continue taking out your dimension. That is all for this problem. If you have questions, please post it in the comment. Thank you. Enjoy.